chapter, I need that you buy as soon as possible the ABYC study guide, the Systems ABYC study guide, Systems. Because at the end of this class, we are going to take the certification, ABYC Systems Certification. I need that you read as soon as possible chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because in the next coming conference, we are going to solve it questions related with those chapters. Chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we are going to analyze each chapter. Normally the materials, once again, should be marine approved. The majority of the pipes for freshwater systems are, if they are metallic, they are in a special bronze, marine bronze alloy, and the fittings also bronze alloys, CPVC. CPVC is a good material, is authorized, and those elements meet the requirements of ASTM and ABYC. CPVC, that material is different than the regular PVC. The regular industrial PVC is different like a CPVC. In marine application, it's not longer used. Those type of pipes with the glue, it's not used in marine application because it's complicated. In marine application, you have quick connectors. You release the pressure here, you introduce the pipe, and right now the pipe, only if you release the pressure over there, you can remove the pipe. You can use blue pipes for fresh water, cold water, and you can use the orange one or red one for hot water, cold water. And those are the connectors. The connectors are straight connectors or elbows or T's, quick connections. With the blue line like this, it's pretty similar, but this is blue tracer. Once again, 1/4 inch and 1.5 inch in diameter, and this is maximum for 250 psi. And once again, is used for pressurized systems, hot and cold water, drain line, sink, shower, ice box, but with maximum 250 psi. This is a little higher in pressure than the previous one with the red line. No? And this one, the next one, this is a completely wide, thick wall and a wire reinforcing. Don't forget about the hose clamps. The hose clamp should be marine approved. They should be Series 300, and they should be installed double hose clamps, cross, one in one direction, the other one in the opposite direction. Double hose clamps. All the installation should be with double hose clamp. In the next coming chapter 10, dedicated to air condition, we are going to talk about that some manufacturer of air condition equipment accept single hose clamp, but ABYC and me, we recommend always use double hose clamp for safety. And don't forget, if you work with a CPVC, try to use the cutting tool, special cutting tool for CPVC, and use the glue and the cleaner special for those PVC pipes. You have experience in your home when you replace lines. Yes, CPVC is authorized. All right, remember that we explained that the on-demand pumps, freshwater pumps, they use the pressure regulator. The pressure regulator is incorporated. If the pump is DC, it's this one, the blue one. If the pump is AC, it's the last one. And with the two screws over there, this screw is used to calibrate the pressure. That's for pressure calibration. And normally it's located in the output side of the pump. And with that screw, you can calibrate at what pressure you wanted that the pump start automatically. A marine water heater or a boiler is a special water heater. This water heater is working with two functions. With electrical, with power, that's the neutral, hot line and hot line, double phase, and ground. That's the power coming from the breaker from the AC panel. That breaker is labeled water heater. This element activates a resistor exactly like this. That resistor is located inside of this cylinder in order to preheat and boil the water. This is the electrical mode of the water heater, when this electrical connection activates the resistor internally and preheat the water. But if you are in the middle of the ocean, you don't have generator, you don't have AC source of power, the water internally in the cylinder, in the water heater, can be heated by coolant. It's a serpentine like this, located inside of the cylinder, and that serpentine, that's the input of the coolant coming from the coolant pump of the main engine, and this is the return into the block of the engine. Remember that picture? Exactly. The check valve over there is mandatory. It's mandatory in a typical freshwater installation of a medium, small boats, and big boats. The freshwater tank, the materials, this is a special polyethylene plastic. I prefer use the rigid polyethylene plastic. The white color is better, and you found those type of tanks in different sizes depending of the area that you have in your boat. Don't forget, use only freshwater tanks, marine approved. Don't forget, be careful with the electrical connections. Be careful with the bonding. If you install a fresh water heater, you need bonded the water heater to the bonding system, and you need grounded the electrical connection of the water heater to the ground AC system, to the ground bus bar of the AC system.